Hello, everyone. Today we are working on lesson number 9, level number 4. We skipped to level number 3 because it's just a video that explains how to declare and call functions. Okay. Today's lesson, again, it's about functions and the benefits of using functions. So again, the benefits of using functions is to prevent the duplication of code and also make it less crowded. And you can call the function over and over again by just using the name of the function anywhere in your program. All right, so let's go ahead and read the do this. Read this program and predict how it will run. Then run it and discuss with the partner. Discuss on what lines is the update screen functions being declared? On what lines is the update screen function being called? How does update screen function make the program easier to write and understand? Modify. Change a program to make the game. And when the score is 15 or greater, change the program to make the game, and when the score is -10 or less, change the program to make it display the word clicks after the count as you play the game. For example, it should say 5 clicks or 10 clicks instead of just 5 or 10. All right, the first question for discuss. What lines of the screen being declared? So we have a function here in your program. Again, you can always change it to blocks or text. I usually recommend have it blocks first if you're just beginner to see the color-coded blocks, and then you can change it to text. But in the exam, you always gonna use text. All right, so the update screen function, let's look for it. Usually when you create a function, it's always the best to declare it at the end of your program. So update screen function is right there, has a bunch of other codes, if statements inside. And so in line number 23, the function update screen was declared. Line 23. What lines is the update screen function being called? So calling a function is to reuse the same set of codes just by calling the function. So instead of typing all those lines over and over again, all you have to do, just call the function by calling the name of the function. And then if we change it to text, the name of the function is only this update screen parentheses. To call a function, just you need to add the name of the function, parentheses, and semicolon. So in line number 19, the function was called. In line number 12, the function was called. Line number 4, the function was called. This is a code breaker to pause your code whenever you need to by just clicking on the number of the line. Take a look. That's where the function was called. How does the update screen function make the program easier to write and understand? Again, as I explained, where we declared the function here in line number 23, the function include so many lines of code. So instead of repeating the same lines of code all over your program and make it longer, we only call the function. That will have less words, less repetition, it'll be easier to trace. Awesome. Go ahead and change or modify what they want you to modify. So let's go change it to blocks. To change a program to make it less than -10, all you need to do is add -10 here and greater than 15. And that's how we modify it. Go ahead and try it out.